Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lainey. I've been getting a lot of comments recently and DMs about showing you guys my new everyday makeup routine. I don't normally do a makeup routine or makeup tutorials on YouTube, but I have a few things that I think I do a little different than normal for my makeup that have made such a difference in my everyday routine. And the very first step I want to show you guys is what I think is most important in my routine, and that's getting a clear base. So I wanted to say thank you so much to Vanity Planet for sponsoring this video. You guys already know that I've been using the Vanity Planet skin brush for a while now, so it was super awesome that they wanted to sponsor another video. This is pretty easy, pretty simple, so let's just get right into it. Like I said, this is the most important part of my entire makeup routine, getting that clean base. The Vanity Planet Radius Skin Brush is the only way I can achieve that. My boyfriend Brandon has always had the clearest skin, and he's always told me his one hack is using a washcloth to really clean his face. That just seemed way too abrasive to me, so the skin brush is the perfect in between. These bristles are so soft, but still really deep clean all your pores. It comes with the 3 interchangeable brush heads, the daily cleansing brush, weekly exfoliating brush, and the silicone brush. For sensitive skin, that's what I use. It just feels so gentle, but really cleans your face way better than your fingers would. Honestly, this is my skincare hack, is just using this face brush. I can use any cleanser with this, and then my routine after really doesn't matter. As long as I'm using SPF, my skin will stay clear using this skin brush. And you can use my code LAINEYBRUSH for 70% off your Radia facial brush, which makes it only $29.40. That's such a freaking steal. Or just check out the link in my description box. I highly recommend Vanity Planet and this skin brush. First, I take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've just been using this concealer forever now, and it's really thin, buildable. I like it to cover up my under eyes, as well as just any acne or dark spots, acne scars that I want to cover up that day. And then I use just whatever brush, honestly. This one is an IT Cosmetics one that I stole from my mom. Sometimes I use a beauty blender, sometimes I use my finger. This step changes a lot just depending on how my skin feels and looks that day. After that, I go straight in with the Milk Makeup bronzer. This is in the shade Baked, and it's just a cream bronze stick. I try and take this in the already kind of contour I see in my cheek. See, with nothing on my face, you can see that darker right under the cheekbone, and I try to stay higher rather than lower because I feel like it lifts my face up, and a little of this product goes a long way. I'm honestly breaking out a little bit right now because I'm about to start my period, so please ignore that. And then because I have my bangs, this part really doesn't matter that much, but I still do it. I take the bronze stick and I go around my forehead, or as I like to call it, my 5 head. And then I'll take it under my jawline if I'm feeling crazy. We're not done with the bronze stick, but we're gonna blend it out. I'm just using that same IT Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna take my contour stick again, and I have this smaller brush. This is another just an IT Cosmetics brush. Then I contour my nose a bit, and I just kind of go down the sides and underneath. And then I'll keep using that same brush, and this is like my holy grail. I take my contour or bronze color and I go in my eye socket and up, and it's really gonna lift that eye and look like Bella Hadid. I think my blush and bronzer are like my 2 things that make or break my makeup routine, and you guys have been asking for a makeup routine, and it's these things that you have been noticing the difference of. Try this technique out if you take anything from this video. Put whatever bronzer or contour in your crease and go up. The next holy grail is the blush I use. This is the NARS liquid blush in the shade Orgasm, and this blush is life-changing. So I take this tiny little squirt, and then the blush, you're gonna take it up above almost the cheekbone, and I take it into my brow bone, so like a little C, and that is what has been making my face so lifted and glowy in all these videos. So we're up really high on the cheekbone, and I take it into that brow bone. This blends out so nicely, so easily. I've tried so many cream blushes and liquid blushes and powder blushes, and this one's just insane. You don't even need a highlight with it. Like, it just makes your cheeks glow. And then I always get a little bit from off the pump. I just wipe it off and I'll put it on the bridge of my nose because I like that look. This is L'Oreal liner in just black, and it's a true liquid liner. It's not felt tip or anything, but it's super matte and I like the way that it stays on all day. Okay, I guess this is something else I do a little bit differently. My liquid eyeliner, instead of taking the liner all the way from the wing to the inner corner, I stop at about, is it your pupil? Your iris? In your eye. And it's like halfway between your eye. I feel like it keeps my eyes more open because I don't have that big of eyes. And if I do the liner all the way, it closes them off. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and what I use is the Got To Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue, and I put the smallest amount on a little spoolie. This one's just from e.l.f. And I just brush my eyebrows straight up. I've laminated my brows before, and like 3 or 4 years ago, I got them microbladed, which was really nice, but honestly, the lamination was the best thing I ever did. And the microblading's like gone, but I love the look of a bushy laminated brow, and I should just do the lamination again, but I don't have an Amazon account anymore. I think I've talked about this. I just don't buy from Amazon anymore, and the only place I ever found a lamination kit was on Amazon, so if you guys know of any, let me know. Okay, the brows are laminated in a bootleg way. I get so many questions about how my lashes are so long, and I totally forgot to show you the product because I'm gatekeeping. I hate that word. So how I get my lashes so freaking long is Babe Lash. This is the Essential Serum. I've been using this for like 3 years now, but I stopped for a while. Just like I ran out of it once and then I forgot to buy it again. And it was insane how much my lashes changed in such a short amount of time. This is what makes my lashes so long, and I have a discount code. It's Laney20. They're not paying me to say that. They were just nice enough to give me a discount code if you guys want to check them out. They saw me posting about them, and they gave me a discount code, which was really cool. The next key step to making your lashes look freaking bomb is having a good eyelash curler. I had one from, I think it was like the Sephora brand one, and it got stolen when I was robbed. And then I just bought the e.l.f. one because I was like, why would I spend more money on an eyelash curler? It's an eyelash curler. And it was a POS. It was so bad that I went out and I spent like the most money and got the Tarte one because I was like, I can't go back to this awful eyelash curlers. And the Tarte one is insanely good. And then for mascara, I either use the Maybelline Sky High. This one's waterproof though, and I think I'm gonna wash off my makeup after I film this, so I'm not gonna use that right now. But my next favorite, oh, this one's waterproof too. I'll still use this one. This is my other favorite. It's the Lash Paradise one. Everybody had a field day about this because it's like the dupe for the Better Than Sex one, but way more inexpensive. And honestly, waterproof mascara does a difference, like holding the curl of your lashes, but it's a bitch to get off. I had this lip gloss from Babe Lash as well, and it was like a lip pumping one. I absolutely loved it, but it was stolen, and I just haven't gotten it again yet because I have to order it online, and I'm really bad about ordering things online. So instead, I'm just gonna use this Glossier chapstick, but honestly, I don't like it. Oh, my good chapstick was taken. I mean, it smells like birthday cake. And that's the finished makeup look. This is what I found looks super natural in real life. It's not cakey, it smooths out my skin, it emphasizes my eyes, which I feel like I need, and yeah, that's it. I hope this is what you guys were looking for when you were asking for a makeup routine. It's really not that in-depth, but I do think I have some things that I do a little bit differently than the average person. Remember to check out Vanity Planet and use my code LANYBRUSH for 70% off your cleaning brush. Honestly, such a steal. And I'll see you guys next week for another fashion video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I have a bus update coming very, very soon that I think you guys are going to freak over, which is really exciting. I love you guys the absolute most. You're so zoomed in. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.